It's not a picture, it's a video.
I figured.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come right up to you. I'm like, watch me, right? I'm gonna get into this video too.
Yeah.
Great.
Are you trotting yet?
Am I trotting yet?
Yeah.
I guess I can try. Oh my goodness.
Oops. It's a good thing that he is really easy to ride, otherwise this would be really difficult.
You're like, he just goes where he wants.
No, I'm pulling him around.
Oh. Oh yeah, he's neck rein, that's right. Side pass to me.
That's funny. Aren't that good? Maybe. Let's try it.
Oh. Oh, he's backing up on me. Just come up next to me.
All right, fine. Let's go.
All right, fine.
Come on.
These are buddies.
Oh, that's right. It's still on.
Well, yeah, it is. Shot of your butt. Well, TC's butt. Anyway. No, I didn't. You need to trot. My horse does not like to follow around, though.